Welcome to the Science Academy classes, and we are on to question number 2 of exercise 2.2, chapter 2 of polynomials. And in this question, we have to form a quadratic polynomial uh, for which we have the sum and the product of its zeros. So let's consider the first one. So we know that for the zeros, we are going to consider them as alpha and beta. So this is the sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta is equal to 1 by 4, and the part of the zeros, let's consider that as alpha beta, which is negative 1. And we know that a quadratic polynomial, okay, so the quadratic polynomial is given by x square minus sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta into x. Let me write it as x square minus sum of the zeros into x plus product of the zeros. Now the sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta into x, and product of zeros is alpha beta. So this gives me x square minus alpha plus beta is 1 by 4 into x, and alpha beta is negative 1. Okay, so for the denominators, we have the LCM of 1, 4, and 1. So the LCM of 1, 4, and 1 is 4. So we are going to multiply. So LCM of 1, 4, 1 is 4. So let's multiply each term with 4, which gives us 4x square minus x minus 4. So this is the required polynomial. Similarly, for the second one, sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is given as the root 2, and part of the zeros alpha beta is 1 by 3. So the quadratic polynomial is x square minus sum of zeros into x plus product of zeros, and as a sum of the zeros is alpha plus beta into x plus product of the zeros is alpha beta. So x squared minus alpha plus beta is root 2x plus alpha beta is 1 by 3. And now for the denominators 1, 1, and 3, LCM is 3. So let's multiply each term with 3. So this is 3x squared minus 3 root 2x plus 1. So this is the required polynomial. Moving on to question number 3. The sum of the zeros is given as alpha plus beta is 0, and the product of zeros is root 5. So the quadratic polynomial is x squared minus sum of zeros plus product of zeros, which is x squared. Sum of zeros is 0 into x. Product of zeros is root 5. So this is x squared minus root 5. Okay, for question number 4, sum of the zeros is 1. So alpha plus beta is 1, and part of the zeros is also 1. So the quadratic polynomial is given by x square minus sum of zeros into x plus part of zeros. Sum of zeros is 1. So this is 1 into x plus part of zeros is 1. So this is x square minus x plus 1 is the required polynomial. Similarly, for question number 5, so alpha plus beta is equal to negative 1 by 4. Part of the zeros, that is alpha beta, is 1 by 4, and the quadratic, if you know that the quadratic polynomial is given by x squared minus sum of zeros into x plus product. So this is x squared minus sum of zeros is 1 by 4 into x plus product is 1 by 4. So this is x squared plus x by 4 plus 1 by 4, and now the LCM of 1, 4, and 4 is 4. So let's multiply each term with 4. So this is 4x squared plus x plus 1. So this is a required polynomial. Moving on to question number 6. So sum of the zeros, that is alpha plus beta, is 4 and alpha beta is 1, and the quadratic polynomial is given by x squared into sum of zeros into x plus b, which gives us x squared. Sum of zeros is 4 into x, part of zeros is 1. So this is the required polynomial, and we are done with question number 2 as well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.